学何年？え？中学何年？今1ですかね。わからないよね。わからない。
イメージ。Look at that. So pretty. Ganda mo. Another tunnel. We're climbing. We're going to hike. Come. That's nice. Can get this one. So good. Ay, yeah, naka-video din. Nice. Wow, look, it's warm. Heaven. What's that dog? In the Philippines, we have this
Sky view.
same view. Hello guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. The leaves are the adventure takes. Kasi sobrang wait, nawawala yung
Jet Ski Holiday.
Where you love it?
9:28. Hindi. Sabi ko sa kanya, parang sa mag-ibig.
Habang kaya pa natin.
Tingnan mo yung ano to. Diretso ko sa mga shortcut ka talaga. Diretso ka na sa mission na gabi.
Hi! We love hiking, especially Mom Cat.
Yeah. That's where our first day.
What are you good at? I'm good at hiking.
I'm good at hiking.
Hiking! Hindi pala ako sa Pinas mag-hiking.
What's your shumi in Japan? Hiking.
Para masarap pababa, no? Kasi pataas.
Kung ganito yung daan.
Oo, pag sa hiking.
Di ba ka natry mo naman yung sa
Yung tarik niya pala, bilis na. Shaky eh. Sa Bato Spring ganito. Sarap mag-ano. Oo. What's this? Look at that. Amazing.
Komyo Temple.
Komyo. Oh, temple. What is this?
Arigato.
Lagusan papunta ang Philippines.
Encantada.
Let's go. Ay.
上に手が垂る。床が上がってる。
It looks like ang Wala ko parang ano. Nag-buy kami ng pagkain for today and nasa community center kami. A day in my life. Wala na yung kadasay.
May libro na kayo, guys. Wala lang. Gano'n na lang refill.
Refill? Is there a free snack?
Kaya tapos ka kay Carmen, kaya nag-usap kayo na lang.
Kasi what question do you want me to ask you?
Gabi ang energy mo naman doon.
Sige na, pagkatawa na niya. Gabi, pabili ako. Kalmahin na, guys. Kalmahin.
Buwas pa. Paano ka stockings? Ang tao. Finish. Sige na mga anak. Ang school ay ano ha? Ano? Fiancé Tokyo Body Mist. My lotion.
Asa sila Sam? Pumasok? Bye ate. Tingnan ko lang. Wala pa palang kakainin.
This is from Amazon. Then the Handmade. Binuksan ko na siya. So, yung kinuha kong shade is cream for all types of skin. Wala natin yung look. Ito yung tsura niya. Tapos, yan. Diba? Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung plastic. So, for discoloration siya, kaya ganyan yung color niya. Merong green, pink, yellow, yan. Iba't iba. Discoloration type of skin. So, let me try. Wala naman siyang amoy. So, sana hindi. Since, ganda kasi may mirror na siya kasama yun. Ay, everyone. Ito yung tsura ng ano niya. Sana hindi mag-cake. Kasi, bakit yung kakalabas yun, diba? Bakit ng glitters? Plus may SPF +++ din siya. So, maganda siya. Lalo na dito sa Japan, sobrang init. Domino Ichi. I-play ko na para kita yung Venus's famous bridge. I don't know the Mamayate nila. Ang dami. Ganda dito. Tada! Let's go. Let's know more about pumpkin regatta. Regatta. It's okay, I cannot hear something. Maybe usually it weighs a lot. Do you want to join in a pumpkin pie eating contest? There's a problem because my laptop is not working well. Hello, Ethan. I hope. Hi, hello. Can you hear me? People play it on the beach. They pass the ball to the other team over a high net. Yes, come on.
Unable to process.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. I'm here. Going back. Good night na agad. Bebe. Oh, ikaw nang take over. Hello everyone. We just watched Hanami. How was it? That's great. How was the Yoshinaga Hanami? My neck hurts. My neck hurts. Neck hurts. How was the Yoshinaga Hanami? Happy birthday to me.
Nalasing yung 3%! Sabi na sa amin na 9%! Tayo ka na! Nalasing mo yung 3% kasi 9%! Ano ba yan? 6% lang. Dance ba? Na-video mo. Dance uy! Hindi na!
Ay, ang ganda ng tundog! Wandi yan. Cheers, Faith! Cheers!
kasi ituro yun. Diba, lasing yung dalawa. Nalasing yung 3%.
Ano yan?
Nalasing yung 3%.
3%?
Oo.
Punta kami sa bahay. I-challenge kita. 9%. Ikaw at si Vivina, 9%. I will challenge you, okay?
Okay, this.
I
Wow, ang
will
gulo ng ani,
challenge you
oh.
next time. Punta kami sa bahay niyo, okay?
But 9%, I hate that kind of 9%.
Oo.
It will give you
It's a small length.
headache in the morning.
Yo.
Yeah.